we sent a team to the ZITF, and among the things on display was the baobab juice, originated by one of our lecturers, Mr. Nobe. And then during the process, the minister visited our stand, and he was excited and impressed with the explanations of how they started with the concept of having baobab juice. This in line with the heritage-based philosophy that resulted in the concept of Education 5.0. So fast forward, the minister said, we're going to avail funds to make sure that this project is implemented at an industrial scale. Ministry gave us 3.6 million. Then it was sufficient to buy the equipment, the transportation, and all that. But fast forward, we managed to get further funding from minister again.
Yes, we have a cooling section. This cooling section, it serves the function of cooling bottles that have been filled with the juice and sealed. So this component gets the containers that have their hot juice from this one. This one is called an automated filling and capping machine. Its task is to fill in hot juice into bottles and do the sealing automatically without any human interference. So for this machine to work, we need to supply it with containers or bottles. In this case, we are going to be using 350 ml containers for the juice and 500 ml for the bottled water. Let me hasten to say that this plant is going to do two things. It is going to process fruit juices and bottled water.